Hi everyone, in this video I will show you text-free sign-up problem. So if ever you encounter this kind of problem like text-free registration failed with error 9080, then what you're going to do here is you have to follow the steps to at least solve this problem. First, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi. So you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error persists, and then restart your router or modem if you're on Wi-Fi to refresh the connection. After that, you can go back and see if this one worked. If not, then you have to follow again this second step. Now, if you're using your mobile or data, you need to clear app cache and data. Go to your phone settings, apps, text-free storage, tap on clear cache and clear data. Or open the app and try registering again. Also update or reinstall the application. So how are you going to do that? You have to ensure that you have the latest version of text-free application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Next, you have to make sure that you have disabled VPN or proxy. So if you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it and try registering again. Sometimes text-free blocks registration from certain VPN or proxy networks. The very last thing to do is to contact their customer service and ask a help from them to solve this issue. So basically, these are a few methods on how to simply fix registration failed with error 9080 in text-free. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.